right, guys, this was the big Chevrolet performance announcement in terms of crate engines, the 632 big block. Let me give you a little bit of specifications about this thing. This is a true street engine. There is no tricks going on here that you can't see with your own two eyes. It is 632 cubic inches. It does run on 93 octane. It does have a hydraulic roller camshaft, and of course, it does have coils hidden for each spark plug underneath and EFI running on the top. This is a crate engine that you really can run at the track and also drive every day. We actually were honored to meet Ron Sperry, who that is what the cylinder head is named after. This cylinder head is what helps make this engine all that power and still run on compression ratio safe enough to run on 93 octane. Now, let's go take a look and see who put it in what for SEMA 2021. So Chevrolet Performance decided to hand the new 632 off to the guys over at Hoonigan and put it in this thing. Now this is a third gen Camaro, and these guys put in hours and hours of work to put this 1,000 horsepower engine in this car. This is actually an old GM testbed car as well, just like the yellow Bel Air behind me. And it's pretty neat that they actually were able to get this thing running and driving in one of these, put on some trick American racing wheels, and of course a 4-speed dog box transmission so it can handle all that power. So we're gonna get some shots and let y'all take a look at this thing. Now, another great one over here at the Chevrolet Performance booth is, of course, the 572 big block that is now going into the Copos this year. They still offer the 350 Supercharge and, of course, the 427, but the big news is the 572. The Copo program is alive and well.